Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how you can insert a table of contents in Word. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So a table of content is very useful. It helps to organize all of the section for your Word or for your files. So the way you would do this is first you would need to create the headings for your table of content. So let's say for the first page, you have header one, and then go to the insert or the home tab. You would need to change this to heading one. So now this one become a header one, and when you insert a page break, it will automatically become a header 2 when you type it out. When you insert another page break, it would be header 3. So right now we have 3 pages. Each of the page will have a header. Uh, we want to create a table of contents with these 3 headers. What we would do is you want to create a table of content at the top of the heading one. So it has to be over here. What you would do is you would go to references and then go to the option for table of contents. Click on it. It will give you several options. I would recommend you to click on the first options. So once you click on it, you will see that each of the page will have a header. So the way you would do this is you want to name each page accordingly, according to the topic. So let's say you are studying for your final exam, and the first page could be quiz 1, the second page could be quiz 2, and the table of contents is very useful. When you want to click on any of these pages, it will automatically take you to that page. And that is how you can insert a table of contents into Word document. Thank you.